Hey, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick overview of our brand new software 1MinuteApp. So this is the login page. You need to log in first. So put your user email and password and log in into the software. So I'm going to log in now. Alright, you can see the dashboard here. So 1MinuteApp will let you create mobile apps for any website with any niches, and you don't need to have any skills. Let me show you how to turn any website into a mobile app. So you can see all the features here in the left sidebar. You can see the dashboard here. You can see generate app sections, saved apps, send notification, tutorial section, and the support section. And if you want to change your profile password, you can do it from the top profile section here. Simply click on it and change your password from here or log out from here. Now let me show you how to generate apps using this application. Just go to the generate app section and you need to put here some details like the website URL, your application name, description and internal name. And if you want to enable GDPR on your app, just click on this and you need to choose your app icon from here. So let me show you how to do it. Let's say you want to create app for this website. You can see that. You just need to copy the URL and paste it here. Now put here your application name and the description, and let me enable this. Now choose a app icon from your device and click on confirm. And you are all set. You just need to download the source file. Click on download and the file will be downloaded for you. Now you need to log into the cPanel of this website. So log into the cPanel and go to the file manager. You can see that the website folder is here. Now go to the website folder and upload the source file here. So I'm going to upload the file. And the file is uploaded now. Now you need to extract the file from here. You will see a file instructions.txt. Right click on it and click on edit. You need to add these details in your site. You just need to copy this code and add it in the head tag. So log into the backend of your site and you just need to install a plugin here. Go to the plugin section, click on add new and search here the plugin. So this is the plugin we are looking for. Just install it. Now click on settings and you need to put here the code. Let's go back and copy this code and paste it here. Now click on save and we are done. This is the site and you will see an option here. This is the install button of our application. So when someone visits our website, they will get this button to install the app. So now we just need to install the application. Click on it and click on install. And the application is installed successfully. Now let me show you how to do it from the mobile. From the Chrome browser of your mobile, go to the website and you will get a install notification. Just install it and the application will be installed for you. So this is the application. And this is how you can install the application, and you can uninstall it, you can move it here and there. So this is how the mobile app will work for you. So this is how you can turn any website into a mobile app, and you can see the application from the saved application section. And from the send notification section, you can send notification. And from the tutorial section, you will get the training and tutorials for this application. And from the support section, you can contact us. So this is how 1Minute app will work for you. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.